मेरा नाम है राकिब इकबाल। मैं एक्चुअली सपोर्ट करूँ बराक ओबामा को मैं सपोर्ट करूँ। A lot of the youth मैंने notice किया is actually supporting Barack Obama because सब लोग को पता है as in we've read his policies उनके website पे जाकर पढ़ ले that उनके क्या policies है like spending के foreign policy का and I think a really good choice Barack Obama ने किया is that उसने Joe Biden को select किया as a running mate, a guy who has almost 30 plus years of foreign policy experience. अमेरिका के लिए बेहतर बराक ओबामा है और पाकिस्तान के लिए बेहतर रियली कोई है नहीं, दोनों एक ही जैसे।
I'm gonna get a white chocolate mocha at tall. मेरा नाम सना अंसारी है and मेरे माँ बाप पाकिस्तान से हैं। मैं law student हूँ, मैं मई में graduate होंगी and इंशाल्लाह lawyer बनूंगी। मैं ओबामा के लिए वोट करूंगी। I think Obama personally is a more intellectual candidate. I think he has a better grasp of the issues both domestically and abroad. I think he has, him and the Democratic Party probably have more of the middle class interests better at heart. I think McCain has a more hawkish view on foreign policy. मेरे ख्याल से दोनों कैंडिडेट से ओबामा बेहतर रहेगा, दोनों अमेरिका के लिए से और पाकिस्तान के लिए भी।
Hello, my name is Emil and मैं law पढ़ता हूँ Howard Law में यहाँ Washington DC में and my family is from Karachi. Right now I'm undecided. You know, Obama, as I said, he's a good public speaker. He would be a good change, you know, youthful, very JFK-esque. People are voting for him. I'll ask my friends, I'll say, you know, why are you voting for him? One of my great friends said, okay, well, he's good looking, he's black, and he speaks well. I want people to vote for the issues. McCain, he's a good candidate. I see this, what's going on, it's almost like this American imperialism where he thinks that we're the biggest superpower in the world and we have to go help everybody. And I understand we have to help people, but help the people that want to be helped. I'm also looking more towards the Libertarian Party because they're a party that's very similar to the Republican Party. It's very small. They have no chance of winning, so it's almost as if I'm withholding my vote.
My name is Mariam. I'm a student at George Mason University and I am a major in political science. मैं ओबामा के लिए वोट करूंगी। Alhamdulillah, the US has come so far that, you know, we see a president who's Black African American, who has a Muslim background, and he's running. That says a lot about this country. No, ये कोई मजाक नहीं है. I myself, I'm a political science major. I study this, and it's not a joke because it is my concern who is the next president of the United States because when I graduate, I want to be able to find a job. I think Sarah Palin is a good candidate. I think she's a joke to women.
मेरा नाम Sarish. I'm from Lahore, Pakistan. Right now I'm going to George Mason University. मैं probably vote करने तो जाऊँगी नहीं मगर if I was to go मैं McCain के लिए probably vote करूँगी. It's not really that I'm a huge McCain supporter, it's just that I don't really agree with Obama on a lot of things. A few policies as far as taxing people who make over $250,000. Maybe aspirations that, you know, inshallah I want to be a lawyer one day, and I probably will be inshallah making more than $250,000. So for me, I mean that's kind of selfish, but you know, everybody makes decisions that benefit them. So according to that, I would say McCain would be a better candidate. Change is not always for the best.
मेरा नाम रमेश कमर है, मैं फेयरफैक्स वर्जीनिया से हूँ। मैं TRG के साथ काम करता हूँ, वो प्राइवेट इक्विटी फर्म वाशिंगटन DC में। मैं बराक ओबामा के लिए वोट कर रहा हूँ। America's reputation around the world has suffered a lot, and I think Barack Obama is a candidate that is going to, I think, most effectively change that. एक और reason है, उसने select किया Joe Biden vice president के लिए. And Joe Biden has done a lot for Pakistan. McCain ने no doubt उसने service किया country के लिए. मगर मेरे ख्याल में उसकी policies और उसकी sort of energy same ही है जैसे George Bush के साथ है.